So hello everyone, this is Shan, Ricky and me, and today we have a little DIY video for you guys. And so here you can see our feathers. If you did see our other videos, you might know that I've been collecting Ricky's feathers for a while. And now I am thinking of putting them in a frame, which is a very cool idea and it's very creative and stuff. And if you do have a lot of feathers, this might be a very good idea to keep them in a safe place and so it was beautiful and yeah. So before you buy your frame, I would consider the way you want your feathers to be and how long your feathers are, because I thought they were the size of this, but turns out they're really not. So I'm doing it sort of to the side. I thought this is better way and it looks more better. Also, just saying, so this is going to be like Ricky's tail, but unfortunately I didn't collect all of Ricky's feather tails. And so I'm using some of his wing feathers as tail feathers. So I will tell you a little bit more when I'm going to do it. But for now, don't forget to like, subscribe and enjoy.